Okay, video 2 of the 72 Buick Riviera on the 4th of July here in 2023. And I'm going to start right here at the very front of the car and walk you all the way to the back. It was really hard to see the bottom section of the grille, marker lights and stuff from the first video. But starting here, there is something wet on the looks like maybe power steering line up above there. I'm not sure. There is a small dent here in the radiator support. Looks like the bushings there on the sway bar need replaced. Yeah, the passenger side's the worst. I did put new calipers on this car and a master cylinder. Going back across to the passenger side, the hoses are the original. Bottom side of the engine, they're really pretty good and dry. There's a lot of room in the engine compartment of these. It's nice. It's a 400 turbo, 455 engine. Looking at the frame here, trying to see in behind that fender. That fender needed some work. And they repaired it before, and looking up in behind here, it looks like they have, let's try to get it for you. They've used fiberglass mat and stuff, so it was a poor repair. So it's going to need a bottom of the fender replaced. This side, not so bad. Pretty good, really. That molding going down the rocker, pretty beat up. Looking around the quarter panel from the bottom side. Try to get you a view of the inner fenders. Really don't look too hateful. But the other side, do the same thing. This quarter panel, you can tell all this has been made out of whatever, who knows. And this molding is the same way. It's not real nice. Going back to the underside of the car though, looking at the floorboards, it looks like it's been heavily undercoated back in its day. So I'll just do like the driver's floor and cross braces, and then I'll move one back a little bit. Man, it's thick undercoat. Now I'm moving into what would be the floor for the rear seat, the rear passenger's floorboard. And it does look like the seal there on the back of the transmission's leaking a little bit. Did not know that. Now I'm moving into the area that would be under the seat, the rear seat. This is a trailing arm. Mufflers don't look too bad. You can see up in there I had to replace a little bit of brake line. It's spliced over here on the driver's side, and I probably put in a 5-foot piece or so. Control arms, there's some scale on them, but there's no rust through or anything to be concerned about. Just needs some good cleaning. This is above the rear axle. It is a 12-bolt rear end. I do not know what gear is in it. There is, if you can see it, on this body mount, sorry to keep turning back and forth, right in that area, there is a small hole on that brace. Trying to get you a good picture of it. Bottom of the tank. And I think these are resignators. Try and quiet it down a little bit. This mount got some scale on it, but I don't see a hole like there is on the other side. So there is one hole on the bottom side of this car. The chrome on this rear bumper, junk. Tires, dry rotted, cracked. I don't know if there's a born on date. It looks like trying to find anything on them. Not seeing anything. Old, junk, need to replace. They are 235, 75, 15s. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.